I'm Claire Halpin. I work at the University of Dundee. I'm a plant scientist and biotechnologist, and I work on plant cell walls in several different types of plants, but particularly in barley. Well, plant cell walls really make up most of the biomass of plants. In other words, most of the green parts we see in growing plants, the wood of trees, and particularly things like agricultural waste and like straw when we've harvested our grain. These are all biomass sources. And that biomass could actually be used as a feedstock for industry to make our chemicals and our plastics and our fuels, and potentially replace the use of fossil sources and petroleum. And not only that, but plants, when they grow, actually absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So that might give us an opportunity to use plants in a much more carbon neutral way to make some of the things that we need to kind of continue our modern lifestyle. I think there's really been a revolution in the last 20 years in how much we understand plants, from genome sequencing to trying to understand some of the processes within plants. And that just totally expands our opportunities for making plants better and make them better sources of the kind of foodstuffs and the kind of industrial chemicals that we need for the future. So I find that really exciting.